Hi everyone, welcome back to the show. I know I've been quiet for a while. I've been trying to sell my house. It's finally been sold and I've got a new place in Sengkang. It's right around the corner from where we are right now. And today we are going to go to Johor Bahru to check out some renovation stuff. So don't forget to bring your floor plan, your measuring tape, as well as your passport. Let's go. Now firstly, I'd like to say that I'm not sponsored in any way whatsoever. These recommendations came from the internet as well as the good folks over at the Singapore Home DIY Facebook page. So shout out to you guys. So I've been told that the Taman Johor Jaya area has many furniture, plumbing and electronic shops. And one of the places that was recommended was the Roka Home Accessory Shop. It's a small shop and the prices are really reasonable and it's around the corner from some eateries. So over here is okay, I'm just looking at sinks, built-in one-piece sink. Maybe, instead of paying thousands of dollars to get my whole toilet renovated, I think I might put in this one, the 60 cm. Should be enough space for the middle toilet, I guess. Selection there is a bit limited, but I just wanted to check out what the smaller stores had to offer before moving on to the bigger ones.
Okay, so what I did is I just googled premium outlets electrical and it brought me to this place. You got these electrical outlets over here and then a whole row of furniture outlets on this side.
Well, I'm kind of impressed by the selection in this one, mainly because it has high-sense refrigerators. Any of you have used these refrigerators? Let me know, leave a review in the comments down below. I'm also in the market for a new hood, a full cooking set. So I've been really thinking about getting a standing cooker in my house. And the only problem is because all these other ones only accommodate 2 burners. This one has a 5 burner and take a look at the oven. Right, I can fit a whole salmon in there. And this place also has got a good selection of kitchen sinks. Further down the road, there are 4 to 5 furniture shops, but they didn't really, allow me to film, so I can give them a review. But generally, their prices are pretty good, and they do sort out GST and deliveries as well. Yeah, so this is one of the other places I want to check out. It's called Kitchen Sink Outlets in JB. Think of DIYing my own kitchen sink, bathroom sinks. So I'm going to be, I'll put the address in the link below. Yeah, check it out. Now this place, I'm really impressed. Firstly, they have a live station where you could test out all the taps with flowing water. And unlike, like Sim Siang Chun, Bathroom Warehouse, IKEA Courts, they don't have this. And this is also really interesting. You can get to play around with everything on display there. And the guys are really nice. He went through everything and answered all our questions. I'm even considering getting my sink from these guys because they also ship to Singapore every week and they take care of all the logistics for you. And of course, you can't miss out going to IKEA as well. It's slightly different from Singapore and in ringgit. Yeah, so in essence, that's about it. Stuff in Johor is actually cheaper than what you can get in Singapore. Most of them, some of them say that they will settle GST and delivery for us. However, a limitation is that they don't do installation and we have to find our own local contractors in Singapore to do the installation. So yeah, check out. I left the addresses of all the places I've been to today in the description down below. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.